Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, southwestern Van Wert County, Ohio, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Van Wert, Decatur, Ohio City, Middlebury, Wilshire, Wren, Dull, Abenaka, Ravar, Shum, Glenmore, and Pleasant Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Adams, Indiana, and Van Wert,